Alright, okay. It's time for me to bow, no doubt. You laid out Clash Joe, but now I'm taking Ball Bull. And then from him, I'm going for the Arabian dude with the ruby on his head. He think he's cool. I'm about to knock him out and take his diamond, and then take it to the pawn shop, and then I'll be fine, man. You know me, I'm on the grind every single day. Every single day, I need to get paid. I don't play like the GameCube. You think you wanna be rude? I'll be like Link with the bombs. Who is you? Drop the Pokeballs like Saddam. You don't know what's inside the capsule. Your asshole didn't flip out. Oh, and now you're scratching yourself like you was a crackhead. But look at me, I'm stacking my wealth, moving like the Keebler elf. Got something good cooking inside the oven, or is it something on the stove? I don't know. Above again, they say that I'm doing wrong, but man, I'm trying to live and I need my ends. I'm trying to do what it needs to be done. I'm not jumping inside the garbage can smelling like bloody passes. No fun, and that won't be me. I have my gun under the sun like I was a cowboy, leaving your ass ride, boy, inside of the sun. And then I'm done. No, you're done, and it's all fun for me with my gun. What you wanna say? Nothing, nada, stench, zada, bitch. Leave your ass in the ditch when you flinch. You know I am the Lynch, no I'm the Grinch. I'm sucking on your blood, taking your shit, leaving you fucked up, and that's it. I'm inside my car and I'm smashing for the hour. I wanna listen to some classical music to take my mind off the thoughts of the crime and the time that I would have to pay. No way, I'm too intelligent. They can't get me, they wish they could, but all they can get is my shit inside of a bag when I leave it for them as a present. That ain't no lie, man, that's how I took care of it on the last day. And then I was released. They didn't want to give me my picture, but please, I don't even want to see myself in that state of mind, or in that state of time doing anything. That's why I'm not doing anything. Or am I doing everything, but they ain't seeing nothing? Jump inside the car, smash to the crib, jump out the car, look at it, they're looking in it. They don't see where I am or who I are, they don't know shit. But I'm looking on the camera and I see two son of a bitches. I can hear the motherfucking beat as they roll down the street trying to arrest me, hit me on parole. Fuck that shit, my goal is to be the best. I can't have cuffs on this.